Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to PMDC online lecture room. Today we discuss lecture number 15 taken from chapter number 13, grade 12. It is a continued topic of lecture number 14, trends in chemical properties of alkali metals. Dear students, today we discuss reactions of alkali metals with oxygen. The outlines of today's lectures are reaction of alkali metals with oxygens, the types of oxides formed by alkali metals. There are some MCQs taken from book exercise which are related to this topic. And at last, there is assignment for you. So now, first of all, we discuss the reactivity of group 1A elements with oxygen. We know that the group 1A elements are highly reactive. The reactivity of group 1A elements increase down the group. Group 1 elements are good reducing agents. They reduce the other elements and itself get oxidized. They are able to lose electron and oxidize itself and reduce the other elements by giving one electron to them. Alkali metals react with oxygen or air and forms various types of oxides on the surface of metals. For this reason, alkali metals are highly reactive and they are stored in kerosene or paraffin oils. A general reactions for group 1A elements and oxygen is given as they react with oxygen and form metal oxides. Remember that they form different types of oxides when they react with oxygen. They form normal oxides, peroxides, and superoxides. Now we discuss the types of oxides formed by alkali metals. Alkali metals react with oxygen to form various types of oxides. The oxides are given below. First one is normal oxides. Lithium and sodium react with oxygen and form normal oxides. In normal oxides, the oxidation state of oxygen is -2. So there is a reaction for lithium and oxygen. 4 lithium atoms react with one molecule of oxygen and gives us lithium oxide. Sodium also gives us sodium oxide when they react with oxygen. The second one type formed by group 1A elements are peroxides. In peroxides, the oxidation states of oxygen is -1. When sodium burn in excess of oxygen, they gives us sodium peroxides. A reaction for sodium and oxygen which forms peroxides is given as 2 atoms of sodium and 1 molecule of oxygen react. They form sodium peroxide. Potassium also react in excess of oxygen and gives us potassium peroxide. Now we discuss a third type which is superoxides formed by group 1A elements. Potassium react with air and produce superoxides. A reaction for superoxides is given as one atom of potassium react with oxygen molecule and gives us potassium superoxide. We know that rubidium and cesium are highly reactive elements. They catch fire in air and produce superoxides. The reactions for rubidium and cesium are given below. Rubidium react with oxygen and gives us rubidium superoxides. Cesium also react with oxygen and catch fire and gives us cesium superoxide. Now, dear students, the following key points keep in your mind. They can help you in ETA and MCQs which is given in board paper. So, the first one is normal oxides of alkali metals other than lithium oxides are not formed by the direct reaction between the metals and oxygen. They are formed by indirect method by reducing peroxides. इसका मतलब ये है कि जितने भी नॉर्मल ऑक्साइड्स बनते हैं ग्रुप 1A एलिमेंट्स के, वो मेटल और ऑक्सीजन के डायरेक्ट रिएक्शन से नहीं बनते, बल्कि इसको हम रिड्यूस करते हैं जब उसके पेरोक्साइड बन जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, हमारे पास पोटाशियम पेरोक्साइड बन जाता है, फिर पोटाशियम पेरोक्साइड को हम रिड्यूस करते हैं, उसके मालिक्यूल से, दो मालिक्यूलों से एक ऑक्सीजन का मालिक्यूल निकल जाता है, तो पोटाशियम नॉन ऑक्साइड हम बना सकते हैं. अदरवाइज पोटाशियम ऑक्साइड डायरेक्ट तरीके से नहीं बनता, पहले इसका पेरोक्साइड बनेगा और फिर उसको रिड्यूस करके इससे हम नॉर्मल ऑक्साइड बना सकते हैं. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, द MCQs which are taken from book exercise are: number first, which one of the following form normal oxides only? So we know that lithium is the answer which form only normal oxides. Other one member form peroxides and superoxides directly, and by indirect method we can form normal oxides of these metals. The MCQ is number 2. When sodium is heated with excess in oxygen, which one of the following is formed? NaO, option 1, option 2, Na2O2, sodium peroxide, number 3rd, Na2O, sodium oxides, or number last, none of these. So the answer is when sodium is heated with excess in oxygen, so there is a peroxide form, Na2O2. MCQ number 3rd. Which one of the following has greater affinity for oxygen? The answers are boron, sodium, potassium, magnesium. So we know that potassium is highly reactive, so potassium is the correct answer. MCQ number 4. Oxides of alkali metals are acidic, option 1, alkaline, option 2, neutral, option 3, amphoteric, option 4. So the answer is alkaline. The oxides of group 1A elements are basic in nature. Remember that the oxides of metals are always basic and the oxides of non-metals are acidic in nature. Just like carbon dioxide is acidic, it is the oxides of non-metals. Dear students, it is assignment for you. The question number 1, explain the trends in reactivity of group 1A elements. with oxygen. Question number 2 is explain the types of oxides formed by alkali metals. So I hope you can easily solve these questions when you clearly watch and listen this lecture. Thank you. Take care.